I published some of the videos earlier where I covered how can you generate PowerPoint presentation using NotebookLM. But only one problem is there. Whenever we generate PowerPoint presentation using NotebookLM, there is one watermark. In this video, let me show you how can you get rid of that watermark using 3 different methods. So first of all, if I click on this any of my notebook and then I maybe check one of the PowerPoint. If I click on it, I earlier generated it. And then if I click on these 3 dots, I'll be able to get 2 options. Earlier, only PDF version was available. Nowadays, they have added one new option, that is you can download as PPTX. So let me click on that and then this particular file will get downloaded. So let me double click and open it. Now this is the presentation it generated. You can see everywhere this NotebookLM watermark is there and it's available in each of the slide. Now one thing they have done, they gave us this option of download as PPTX. However, earlier it was only PDF where only using the PDF editor this option was there. However, it now gives us a bit more flexibility to get rid of this particular watermark. Now let me show you first thing. Now if I click on this slide, you can see this is one whole image. This is not a normal PPT where each of the component level you can edit. That benefit is still not there. So that gives us one method how using which we can get rid of this particular watermark. What I'll do, once this image is selected, I'll be able to get one option picture format. And if I click on that, then I'll be able to see one option crop. And if I click on it, then I'll just adjust this height a bit and then I'll click elsewhere. Now that particular watermark is gone. Now next step is I need to adjust this image in proper way and I can just drag it and this is my PPT where this particular watermark is gone. You just need to adjust it a bit. However, if you think this will change the aspect ratio of your PowerPoint presentation and if you don't like that, then let me show you the next method. So this is number 2. So now I came back to the earlier stage. So this was our presentation after I cropped it, right? Now one good option is there. If you go to design, if you go to format background, then you select a solid fill for the background. And if I go to this color drop down, then one option is there, more colors. If I click on it, then this particular dialog box will come and there is one option, there is a color picker. If I click on it and then I click here in this blank space of this yellow, then this is the color I picked. And if I click on OK, now my background color of the slide and foreground picture color is also same. So I don't need to resize that image. This is the second way you will be able to still adjust your PowerPoint presentation color in case you have a solid background. Now there is one third method and that's paid. So what we can do, I'll just click on close, I'll save it and then I'll go to canva.com. So this particular method is possible only using Canva paid subscription. So if you have one, so you can utilize this method. What I'll do, I'll click on upload, I'll click on upload files and then I'll select any of the PPT. Maybe I'll be using this one which I did earlier. I'll click on open. Now you can see this particular file has been uploaded. What I'll do, I'll open this particular file and there, if you see here, this particular watermark is still there. One option is there. After I select this image, I can go to edit and then magic eraser. And then I'll be able to just mark this particular option that this particular part needs to be removed. And then I'll click on erase and in a flash, this particular watermark will be gone. So this is the way you will be able to remove it, but you may need to do it in all the pages one by one. This is the way you can do that. And once this is done, you can click on share, download, and then similar way you can download as a PDF or PPTX and you'll be able to use it. So these are the 3 methods using which you will be able to remove NotebookLM watermark from those generated PowerPoint presentations. If you already know another method and you are already using it and maybe that's quicker, please do share in the comments below so all of us will be also able to know and we will all able to use together. So let me know what do you think about these methods. Will it be useful, not useful, or if you have any other suggestions. If you want to know how to generate PowerPoint presentations using NotebookLM step by step and that using multiple different credible sources and with a proper research, then check out this video where I covered that topic in great detail.